Hey Gadget Guru fam! Today, we're unboxing the new Redmi 13C 5G and sharing our first impressions. Is this the best budget smartphone of 2024? Let's find out. First up, let's see what's inside the box. We have the phone itself, a charging cable, and some documentation. Pretty standard, but let's dive into the phone. The Redmi 13C 5G boasts a sleek design and solid build quality. It's lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap. The 6.5-inch FHD Plus display is vibrant and sharp. Powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 720, the performance is smooth, whether you're gaming or multitasking. It features a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor. The photos are decent for a budget phone, but don't expect flagship-level quality. With a 5,000 mAh battery, it easily lasts a full day on a single charge. And the 18W fast charging gets you up and running quickly. All this for just $199. It's a steal if you're looking for a 5G smartphone on a budget. So, what are the pros and cons? Pros: great display, solid performance, and long battery life. Cons: camera quality could be better, and there's no water resistance. Competitors include the Samsung Galaxy A32 and Realme 8 5G. Both offer similar specs, but the Redmi 13C 5G provides better value for the price. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you next time on Gadget Guru.